I'm sure you didn't know this clever use for a sanitary pad. Start by taking 2 pads. Draw a heart on the wrapper of one, then cut out the shape. Thanks to their absorbency, pads can hold and gradually release scents. Their surface also sticks well to various materials, making them easy to place without shifting. Spray your favorite perfume or add a few drops of essential oil to the heart-shaped pad, then stick it to the underside of the toilet lid. With each lift, a fresh scent will be released, keeping the bathroom smelling pleasant. For a longer-lasting effect, place a scented heart on the inside of the toilet paper roll. It can also go inside your closet door for a gentle, fresh scent each time you open it. Use essential oils on the pads as well. They're great for neutralizing odors. Stick an oil-soaked piece inside the trash can lid or on the side to keep unpleasant odors at bay and add a refreshing aroma to the kitchen. Cut the sanitary pad with scissors. This trick will save you a lot of money. The first product you need is a sanitary pad. Start by partially unwrapping it. Then, take your favorite perfume. All you have to do now is spray it with the perfume. Wait a moment. Then, cut the pad into smaller pieces. Stick these pieces in different places in your car. This will help the beautiful scent last longer in your car. Stick them in visible spots for a stronger fragrance, or hide them in the glove compartment for a more subtle scent. This quick and easy trick will make your car smell like your favorite perfume for a long time. Put a sanitary pad inside your sock. This trick will help you get rid of a persistent problem. Shoes often rub at the worst moments. Instead of searching for Band-Aids that will roll off or fall off after a while, try this trick. Cut a piece of the pad and stick it to the spot where the shoe is rubbing. Then put on your sock and continue wearing the same shoes comfortably. I guarantee this trick will bring relief. It's a genius hack that I use myself. Stick a sanitary pad under your armpit. This trick will change your life. The first product you need is a sanitary pad. Start by partially unwrapping it. Then take your favorite perfume. All you need to do now is spray the perfume on it. Wait for a moment. Next, take deodorant and spray it on the pad. Cut the pad into smaller pieces. Take the shirt you're planning to wear. Stick the previously cut pieces of the pad in the areas under your armpits. This way, you'll get rid of the embarrassing problem, and no sweat stains will appear on your shirt. You can also use these pad pieces for your shoes. Grab your sneakers and stick a pad to the insole. Your shoes will smell great, and the pad will perfectly absorb sweat. This quick and easy trick will give an ordinary pad new functions. Plus, it's an affordable and convenient solution for daily sweat issues. Stick a sanitary pad to a mop. You'll never need to climb a ladder again. I'll show you how to do this trick. Take a sanitary pad and place it on the floor mop handle. Then, remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it to the mop. Now, pour some dish soap onto the pad, followed by a bit of water. The pad will absorb the soap perfectly. Use this tool to clean your bathroom. You won't need a ladder anymore. People often forget how important it is to clean the bathroom walls. A lot of bacteria accumulate on the wall. You can also add some glass cleaner to the pad. With this trick, you'll reach every tile effortlessly. Watch as the pad picks up dirt perfectly. Your tiles will shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. A sanitary pad can clean your windows, and you'll never have to climb a ladder again. Let me show you the best way to clean your exterior windows. With this trick, your windows will shine like never before. Take a sanitary pad and attach it to a Swiffer. Then, remove it from the packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it onto the Swiffer. Now, spray the pad with window cleaner. Use this setup to wash your windows. You won't need to climb a ladder, and you'll be able to reach every window with ease. Remember to spray the pad with more window cleaner from time to time. Wipe the windows again. You'll see how the pad effortlessly picks up dirt. Your windows will be sparkling clean and shine like never before. You can also use this tool to clean the front and rear windshields of your car. It's a simple yet highly effective way to remove dirt and streaks. With a sanitary pad, your windows will be spotless. Stick a sanitary pad to your shower head. This quick trick will transform your shower. First, unscrew the connector between the hose and the shower head. Limescale builds up fast, and the more there is, the harder it is to remove. But you can get rid of it in minutes with just some kitchen supplies: vinegar and dish soap. Mix a small amount of vinegar and dish soap in a dispenser, about 1 small cup. Pour the mixture onto a large sanitary pad and wrap it around the shower head. Secure it with a few rubber bands or string to keep it sealed. Leave it for 15 minutes, then rinse it off in the sink. Screw it back onto the shower. This simple method deeply cleans the shower head, preventing limescale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. The results are amazing. Your shower head will work like new. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. Cut a thin sanitary pad and put it in your shoes. You'll thank me for this trick later. Thin sanitary pads are perfect for heels and all other types of shoes. Cut them into smaller pieces and insert them into your shoes. Every woman should know this trick. When your shoes cause blisters, you can use thin sanitary pads. They have rounded ends. Cut them off. You'll have 2 such pieces. They are delicate and soft. Remove the protective paper from the adhesive side. Stick 1 piece inside your shoe, precisely at the heel. Do the same with the other shoe. This will prevent your feet from slipping out of the heels and stop them from rubbing against your heels. It's the perfect solution for women, providing comfort and convenience when wearing heels or new shoes.